Method overloading is one of Java's most misunderstood features, yet it's everywhere in your code. Let's break down what it really means. Method overloading means having multiple methods with the exact same name in a single class, but with different parameters. Look at this calculator class. We have 3 add methods, all named add, but one takes 2 integers, another takes 3 integers, and the third takes 2 doubles. Java knows which one to call based on the arguments you pass. This makes your API cleaner and more intuitive because users don't need to remember different method names for similar operations. For overloading to work, methods must differ in their parameter list. This can be the number of parameters, the type of parameters, or the order of parameter types. Critically, this happens at compile time, making it a form of static polymorphism. The compiler decides which method to invoke before your program even runs. Return type alone doesn't count. Only parameters matter. Don't confuse overloading with overriding. Overloading is multiple methods with the same name, but different parameters in the same class. Overriding is when a subclass replaces a parent's method with the exact same signature. Overloading happens at compile time, overriding at runtime. Overloading doesn't need inheritance, overriding requires it. And overloading keeps the same method name but changes parameters, while overriding keeps both the name and parameters identical. Remember, method overloading lets you reuse method names with different parameters for cleaner, more intuitive code. Practice this concept and level up your Java skills. Want to get better at answering questions like this? With Interview Mentor, you practice real interview questions out loud. You get personalized feedback and a grade on every answer, and you can track your improvement over time.